Hello, this is Matt at Kion, and today we'll be looking at financial enforcement actions. These financial enforcements are customizable actions you can set on a funding source, organizational unit, project, or service when a spending threshold is surpassed. This spending threshold is determined by triggers and events you can customize at each of these levels and gives anyone concerned with cost overruns a way to automate financial guardrails. Let me show you. Let's set a financial enforcement action on this project here. As you can see, there are a number of variables to help you set the exact spending threshold you're aiming for. The enforcement type allows you to set an overall project threshold, or to focus on a particular service level within this project. Triggers determine what combination of time and funds spent or remaining will set off the action. Triggers include the time frame for measurement, the spend option to specify the trigger based on spend, remaining, or spend rate, a dollar or percentage value, and if you've selected service enforcement, the service to which the enforcement applies. Let's set this particular spending threshold when this project's monthly spend reaches 85% of its budget. The events are the actions you want to take place when the trigger's conditions are met. The most basic of these events are notifications, which allow you to select which users and/or user groups will be notified when a financial enforcement action is triggered. This notification appears in the Kion UI and also populates an email to the user and/or user groups. You can also add additional external emails to this notification. The overburn toggle applies a yellow badge to the project, bringing some extra visual attention to this financial enforcement action. Finally, financial enforcements can trigger the deployment of a cloud rule to the project, which can freeze or terminate resources, adjust user access levels, or enforce further financial guardrails to help automate and control cost in real time. You can also fire webhooks to external systems when enforcements are triggered and cleared. Now that we have set the variables in this enforcement, let's give it a description and hit save. You can see that because this project is already past the 85% mark in monthly budget, the enforcement is immediately triggered. It's turned yellow due to the overburn status, and I've received a notification providing the details of this enforcement. You can set multiple financial enforcement actions on a funding source, OU, project, or service level to keep a watchful eye on cloud spend levels. For more information about financial enforcement actions and other FinOps features within Kion, please visit our support center for additional documentation. Thank you.